There is a place beneath the noise, beneath the rushing, beneath everything the world keeps asking of you.
A place that has always been there, waiting, quiet, faithful. If you found this channel, you probably needed to.
Return to Still creates cinematic guided meditations for sleep, for healing, and for the nervous system that never fully switches off.
You do not have to earn your rest here. You do not have to arrive already calm.
You only have to arrive exactly as you are.
New meditations every single week.
Sleep stories, breathing practices, healing visualizations, and sacred ceremonies for those who are ready to go deeper.
Subscribe and come back anytime you need stillness.
Anytime the world gets too loud.
Anytime you need permission to rest, we will be here. Until next time,
Return to Still.